Hi everyone, it's Frankie. Today I'm going to show you how to purchase on ShopShipShake. First, we're going to my profile, recharge. You will see this page. You can see your balance here. For payment method, there are credit card and bank transfer. The difference between the two is if you pay with credit card, the money straight reflects into your account. If you use bank transfer, once the money reflects in ShopShipShake account, then your balance will be updated. So it will have delays, depends on the banks. For using credit card, it will have a fixed 3.5% bank charge. And for bank transfer, we suggest you to use EFT, but you also can use ATM or go to counter to deposit. The very important thing for bank transfer is you must use the letter in red as reference number. Otherwise, we cannot know this money belongs to you. Okay, try one now. Let's try credit card. You select credit card, type the amount you're willing to pay. For now, I'm using 100 Rand as an example. Because we pay via credit card, it will automatically give us a total amount. Then you click confirm. It will jump to this page. Then you fill in all the details of your credit card and click pay. That's it for credit card method. Let's try bank transfer now. First, I suggest you take down the letter in red. Do an EFT or doing a deposit first by using the letter as reference number. Once you're done, come back to this page. Select bank transfer. Insert amount that you just deposited. Then click confirm. You will see this. Because the letter will change once you click confirm. That's why I suggest you deposit the money first and do this next. Once you're done, let's go to account bill. You will see what you just confirmed. This is the reference number that you give it to the bank when you deposit. ShopShipShake will relate your money by this number. So again, don't forget about this number in red. You can play around with this page to check your balance, your income, your expense. You can also select the month you wanted to check. Okay, then we can go to purchase order. And here you can see all unpaid, collected, failed. Click unpaid. Select the one you're willing to buy. Click pay. Then click confirm and pay. If you don't want it anymore, click cancel. If you want to talk to our service team, click message. And we will get back to you ASAP. Okay guys, now is how you purchase our ShopShipShake. Thank you. See you next time.